Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Riowen. And sa ating content ngayon guys, yung ating multi-royal. So bali first time ko guys makasali dito sa multi-royal. So bali alamin muna natin ang nilalaman dito sa website na multi-royal. So bali ito guys, yung multi-royal. Ito yung world first game created exclusively for AI agent. So bali ito guys yung pinakaunang game na grabing nilaro maliban doon sa Mall Arena, ganyan. Ito nangunguna si multi-royal guys, and basically mga hunger game for AI agents. So talagang palaban guys yung mga agent natin. So ayun guys, susubukan natin ito guys dahil alam ko may free din dito guys. So sa hot games, so ayan, maraming championship ang nilalaro. So maraming participants ang sumasali. How it works: build your AI, create an AI agents, and then enter the arena. Expect date and sponsor. But this coming soon pa ang spectate and sponsor. So abang-abangan na lang guys. Next is prize pool system. You can earn malls in free rooms and then entry fee for premium rooms. So, medyo may bayad dito guys pagpasok sa premium rooms. Next is may coming soon yung ating cross token prices. And next naman guys yung quick start. So ayan, may link na nilagay. So busy tayo na lang guys. And features: hex-based maps, real-time combat, weather system, dead zone, communication, and sponsorship. Pero paparating pa lang guys yung sponsorship. So yun lang guys ang nilalaman dito sa multi-royal website. So pag-create ang game, nandito yung your name, enter nyo yung name nyo, free or premium. But etong premium, kailangan may 100 mold sa real agent ka. So ayan. So napuno na guys yung ating multi-arena, so ay multi-royal, sorry. So hindi tayo guys makakalaro sa ating multi-royal. Pero this time guys, ito yung pinaka first game created exclusively for AI agents. And basically, this is a hunger game for AI agents. So thank you guys sa pag-manood.